Mira, you can kill me na. Go ahead. Where are you? Where are you? Where? Ay, sige. Sige. Oras sa inyo mga kalods, welcome back sa panibagong video at ngayon ay nagbabalik na tayo sa panibagong horror game sa Roblox na pinangalanan na Elmira. So without further ado, simulan na natin to. Let's go na. Okay, kasi excited na ako sa game na to eh. So mag-play na tayo. Yo! Ha? Nakalbo OC ko. Okay, sige, never mind. Sige. Nakalimutan ko i-apply yung buhok, sorry. Sorry po. So yeah, mag-solo, wait, play solo tayo syempre. Chapter 1. Yes, I'm brave. For sprint. Where's everybody? I should go look for them. They can't have gone too far. Okay? Saan mo sila hanapin? Dito? Follow the lights. Oh, sige, follow the lights. Hey, angas oh. Hey, charot. So we're just gonna follow the light and hopefully it will lead us to the way kung nasaan yung mga classmates natin. Well, hopefully, ganun nga yung mangyari at hindi opposite na. At nilalabahan ko tao kayong ano dyan. Napakadilim. Ayun. Hello! Anyway, ano to? It's a note. Dear Diary, the school bus stopped because the teacher saw two children standing out in the freezing snow. I am afraid she made a mistake. They have the most weirdest eyes I have ever seen. They are as black as the night. Truth be told, I am very scared by Anna. Hey yo, Anna, why you're scared? Wait lang, lakasan ko brightness ko. Wala akong makita. Ang hina. Ayun. Hello? Anyone? Hey, oh, sorry. Yo, shut up. Okay, I'm just gonna leave. Shut up. Okay, I'm just gonna leave. No. No. Ah! Sakit sa tenga, hayop. Sige, basahin na nga natin to. A filming of the skin and darkening of the eyes. Observed on patient of elementary school. The chief doctor has declared the case to be top secret. Parents have been told patient is deceased. My name was Elmira. Do not. Okay, sige. Sige, do not daw eh. Sige. Gutom lang yan, Lord. Sige po. Sige, never mind. Sige. No. What do we got here? Leave. Okay, I'm gonna take the key muna bago ko malis. Oh, hi! Hello! Hi! Sige! Fun yung freak you. Okay, sige. No, I'm just gonna leave. No. Oy! A moving wheelchair! Hey, look! Wala tayong hawak na susi. Oh my god, anong gagamitin natin susi niyan? Eto na nga, ano ba? Di makapaghintay, pakapangit ng ugali. Ayun, so may planks na tayo. I need to find out to get across to the car. It look like the pretty is deep. Yeah, napakalalim yan. Huwag kang tanga. Candles. Bakit? Ayaw mo? Sige, ayaw mo eh. Di lagpasan natin. Dear Diary, 1807. The bus broke and the two children ran off into the woods. Miss Smith told us to stay here with while she finds them. 1918, she still hasn't come back. I think we have to find her. I hope she is okay. 1934, we found a old building with Miss Smith's bags. With Miss Smith's bags outside. We are going in now, Anna. Anna, ano naman kabobohan yung ginawa nyo? Bakit naman kayo pumasok? Ha? Why? Bakit? Ha? Ano naman kabobohan yan, Anna? Ewan ko sa inyo, Anna. Hey! Oh! Hi! Hello! Hi! Okay, sige. Never mind. I'm just gonna keep going lang, okay? Kasi goods naman yun, di ba? Ako magki-keep going lang ako. Tama naman, di ba? Oh, ano? Sir, sabing mahulog ako? Hindi, walang ganun. Hey, yo! Hey! Are we gonna help her? Sige. I'm going to help you, Anna. Don't you worry. Si Anna ba yon? Hindi ko alam. Hello? Elmira? Anna? Where are you? Hey, yo! Saan tayo nahulog? Nagbag yung game? Ganun ba? Ay, never mind. Sige. Bawalan natin CP syempre. Now, saan tayo ililid nito? Pero wait lang guys ha. May gusto lang akong ayusin sa setting ko. Gusto kong ayusin yung light. I think ito yung transparency ata yun eh. Shit, tay ka. Nag-loading pa nga. Alright, so ayusin natin ito sandali. Hindi graphics. No, shut up. Hindi graphics ang ayusin ko. Itong transparency, yan. Improve the contrast measures. Oy, yo, mas malinaw. Okay, so what do we got here? If you see them, run. What if ayoko? Charot. Sige po, I'm just gonna run. I am in some kind of basement. Yeah, you're in some kind of basement, Lods. Napakaangas mo naman, Elmira. Sige po. So we got some picture in here. Then, dito pumasok sa Elmira, right? Okay, sure. So may another picture dun. Ay, hindi ko alam kung para saan yung picture na yan, pero pinupunta ako na lang just in case. Read. The portal is the only way out. Okay, sure, sige. Hey, shut up. Ano ba? Ano ba yan? Pakapakit ng ugali. Ito, ano to? Lock. Those squares look like a picture frames, but the picture's missing. Maybe that's a way to unlock the door. Okay, sige. May ganun na tayo. May pattern tayo. Hey, hello. Sige. Bakit ayaw nyo mag-relax? Bakit? Bakit napaka-hyper nyo pag ako'y nandito, ha? Ano nyo sa akin? Oh, we got a picture here. Sige. Dati pwede natin kunin yung mga picture. Picture thingy. Sige. Dito ba yon? Dito yon. Pick up. Very nice. Sige po. Hello. Ano ba, Elmira? Bakit ka ba ganyan? Ano bang ginawa akong kasalanan sa'yo? Like, pwede mo naman sabihin sa akin, di ba? Pakapangit ng ugali. Ay. Wait. Bakit hindi ko mawakan yung picture? Ayun. Wait, ayun. Sorry, hindi ko mawakan yung picture eh. Ayan. Unlock. Yay! Very nice. Read. Let's read it. Dear Diary. Oh my god, we can find her, but we found the two kids. I don't know what's wrong with them. We can't find the exit or Miss Smith. I hear strange noises. We need to leave this weird place and fast. Anna. Si Anna na talaga nakakapagsulat, no? Okay, sure. Hello, oh, we are in a sewer. Sige, sewer, I mean. Okay, sure, sige. Ganyan na naman tayo eh. Lagi naman, di ba? Okay. Magbasag lang kayo dyan, wala akong pake. Sige, just gonna mind my own business na lang. Just gonna mind my own business. Ano yan? Diba? Huwag niyo siraan flashlight ko. Ano ba naman yan, no? Napakapangit ng ugali, ay. Never mind. No, I don't need help. So, ano to? A portal, it looks like my only way to... I need to figure out how it works. Once you've seen her, it's too late. Are you sure about that? Pero sige. Flip all the levers. Dito diretso muna tayo. Just keep looking forward lang, okay? Yun lang gagawin natin. Shit, tayo naman talaga. No. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Yes. What if magpapatay na lang tayo kay Elmira? Sige, no choice na tayo eh. Elmira, you can kill me na. Go ahead. Where are you? Where? Ay, sige. Sige, nangahalik ka. Sige. I'm just gonna leave. Oh, ito na. Aalis na ako. Sige na, ito na nga. Oh, umalis na ako. Shetay. Sige. This place looks strangely familiar. Kasi nakalabas ka na. Okay? Yo, may kamay dun. Hey, angas. Oh, ano yan? Oh, bakit may kamay dyan? Ano meron? Hey, yo. No. We're dead. Sige. Chapter 2 is out now. Head back to the lobby to continue. Thank you for playing. Back to lobby. End of chapter 1. So yun, maraming salamat sa panonood sa inyo mga kalod. Sana naman ay nag-enjoy kayo daw at nalaman nyo kung paano tapusin tong pinaka-game na to. So yun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood. Ulit tayo dyan. Policy mo, bufa. Stay humble.